Hey guys, it's Ronny from the Good Hair Company, and I am back with another video of my hair care routine. Today, I am removing the twist that I installed a few days ago. And whenever I'm having weeks where I'm feeling lazy or I just don't really want to manipulate my hair too much, I'll install twists like this, and when I'm out in public, I'll just wear it in a cute bun. So as you can see, I am going over my scalp with the Rice and Flax Nourishing Hair Oil. And you guys, I love this oil so much. Like, not only does it keep my hair smelling good in between washes, but it softens my hair. And do you see this new growth? This is about, I want to say 10 months of new growth on my head. The last time I bleached my hair was about January. I think I bleached my hair for my birthday. So it's been about 10 months. It's now November. It's actually November 1st. And yeah, I mean, this oil got my hair going, like. And the Rice and Flax Nourishing Hair Oil not only grows out my hair, it strengthens my hair. It's minimizing the breakage. It's minimizing shedding. It's minimizing the dryness that I'm experiencing. It's just getting me together. So I wash my hair with the shampoo. I condition my hair. I leave the conditioner on for a few minutes. Not a deep conditioner, but just, long enough to penetrate the shaft. Then I rinse, and I'll rinse again in cool water, and I'll make sure I rinse the conditioner thoroughly, moisturize with the hair milk, moisturize with the oil on top of the milk, make sure I moisturize my scalp. I make sure I'm wearing my satin bonnet every night that is adjustable and it does not come off my head in my sleep. And I just make sure that I'm maintaining my routine. Every week, anytime my scalp feels dry, I'll apply oil. Anytime my scalp feels a little itchy, I just brush my hair out, make sure my scalp is breathing good, and I apply oil if it's feeling a little dry. I haven't been experiencing the flaky, the itchy scalp. Like, I haven't been going through that. Yeah. This oil, you guys, get into this oil, because this hair oil is where it's at. My hair is growing out, and I'm about to bleach it again. Yes, I am. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you will be notified when I upload my next video. So thank you very much for watching and joining the Good Hair Company. Thank you for joining me on my hair care journey. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all the love. Mwah. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.